Hi guys, how are you doing today? This is from Mobile Expert, Mac Repair Center, Calgary. We specialize here in liquid damage repair, logic board repairs. If you have any problem with your Mac, you can walk in our store and we will help you. We received today a MacBook Air with liquid display. Let's check it out under microscope. So you see the humidity here. This is caused by liquid. There's a little bit of corrosion here, bit of corrosion here. Corrosion here, corrosion a little bit, not corroded yet, but it has liquid. Corrosion here, corrosion here, corrosion here, corrosion here, corrosion on the PP3V3 circuit, corrosion here, corrosion on those capacitors. It's just humid, which we can clean it with ultrasonic cleaner, but those chips has to be removed and the corroded has to be removed. Humid. Let's look at the other side of the board. So if we all good. It's just a humid. Humid. So I'll just check fast for shorts. So I'll start with putting my voltmeter here. So I'll go ground. Well, I use my retic probe to ground and the black one to check with, because I often use diode mode and honestly it doesn't matter, it's just a reference. So I'll go here. If you can see, there is no short. No short here. No short. Ground, no short, no short, no short, no short. No short, no short, no short, no short. No short. Ground, no short, no short, no short. See, going to CPU, no short.
Hey, how are you? Can I have a
This is
recovery
normal.
expert? Sweet.
So now what we can do, we can start working on the logic board. Sorry, I have to record this during business hours, so I might take off to see a client. So we start by adding some flux. Can someone help the customer there, please?
The name.
Yes.
Hello. Hi, how are you? Good. Good. I came to pick up.
When did we spoke to you when
I met?
when did he
Yeah. Under what name it is?
Nicole Chaplin Pierman.
Okay.
Yeah. Had a new hard drive put in it.
You know,
Can you pull the work order, Khan?
sure. Just give me 1 second. Let me check.
So let's put the hot air. So since I have no shorts so far, I just test it fast. So let's just start removing those chips. We're putting the new chips. This is the main chip that is very important for us.
We'll give you a call back. Just not very clear we're going to go through today. Just to be on the safe side, let's just take through what numbers we have again. Okay, yeah.
Come on, okay. So this is off. I'll just remove this so I can solder back the chip. I see some, there's no corrosion here, that's good. That's good. So let's remove this now. See the corrosion, that's all good. And a little bit of corrosion on this resistor. So let's remove it. So what I'll do is I'll just change like those for now. Let's see my donor. I have one chip here, so that soldered nicely. Let me do the second one here. Where's my wick?
Let me know when you're ready.
And the piece of wick, I can use this guy. My donor. Do you know, guys, since there was no short on this board, if we clean only the logic board, it might work, but it will be temporary, as cleaning will not remove corrosion. If we clean it, the corrosion will stay there, but eventually the corrosion will keep eating the connection and the board will die. So this is the proper way. Flew away, so let's grab another one. Okay, a little bit of flux. That's good. That's good. So there's a bit of corrosion here. I don't know if you see it. You see silver healthy, not healthy. So I'll change it. You see now, this is a new, this is a healthy capacitor. This is good. So let's check it again on the microscope. And if we go healthy, 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 good, good, good. That's been good, but let me just touch it up with my micro pencil. So let's see it now. That's good. That's good. That's good. This is the other side of the board. I don't see any corrosion on the other side of the board. I'll check again for some shorts after changing those checks. So my voltmeter, I'll go in the PT3 T3 hot, which is good, no short, and there's 0.23 voltage drop. From my experience, it is good. Here, there's no short. 0.05. This is short. Don't believe it. That is not short. It is good. Then I go no short. So there's a voltage drop of 0.06. It is good from my experience on the CPU. Voltage drop of 0.07. It is good. So here good and here good. We just tested this, which is 0.07. It is good. And we go on the capacitors. 0.07 voltage drop. It is good. Then we go on this capacitor change. 0.48 voltage drop, which is good. So now we're ready. I'll ultrasonic the logic board and I'll see you after the ultrasonic. Let's check the board after ultrasonic cleaning. Okay, clean. This was changed. Good. Let's look at the other side of the board.
Let me see.
All good. So let's test. Can you come here closer, please? So I'll show you here guys. Look at my power supply. I'm putting my charger.
What's wrong with the battery?
Just hold the charge. Try
I'll put the charger.
2 or 3 chargers now.
Then I should expect something above 0.5.
5%.
Okay, that's working. So I'll disconnect. I'll put it in the customer machine. I'll test fast. I'm not connecting everything because all what we have to see again, it's only backlight, then Apple logo.
I can put it in if you want to.
Okay, let's connect the LCD cable. Let's stop this. 1 second here. Remove the battery. Oh, that's nasty. That's corrosion. Should be replaced. So I'm not putting this. think this, just for the fun of it, I'll connect that fan. There's my charging port. Go. So I have here my 0.5 fan spin. Then all what I need to see is Apple logo. Come show us here, please. Oh, Apple logo. Happy MacBook. Brought from the dead. So boot. I don't want to show customer name. Yeah. So that's the video for today. Another MacBook, another happy MacBook. Guys, we did show you how to fix a MacBook Air with the liquid display. Here at Apple Expert, we specialize in fixing Macs with liquid damage, like Mac logic boards, all kind of issues, no power, no Wi-Fi, video card issues, doesn't detect this, doesn't detect that, upgrades, like we can make your Mac running fast. We also do repairs on iMacs, iPhone, iPads, and data recovery. Thank you guys.